Hey guys, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video. So in this video, we are going to analyze gold chart on the basis of price action levels, and we are going to discuss the latest COT report and the data from open interest from gold future. And we will discuss the important price level that currently gold is following, and we are going to use those level in upcoming trading sessions. So we will start with the COT report first. And if you are following me in Telegram and if you are following my recent prediction video, you already knows that in previous COT report, you can see over here the sentiment was bearish, and we already discussed that video in detail in previous week. And if we look for this week, this is the latest COT report, and we are looking at the managed money, you can see. And in the change in position, this is same sentiment as we have seen in the previous COT report. And you can see that managed money or the smart money player, they still pulling money from their long contracts. You can read over here that this time they decrease their long positions by -1756, and they are adding huge positions in their short contracts or short positions, you can say. So you can clearly read that this time they added a huge number in short positions. So from the data of COT, we can clearly see and clearly say that the data is still bearish if we talk about the COT report. But if you remember, in the previous COT report, I also analyzed the chart on net long and net short position. Yes, we have overall the net position is very down, and whenever the net position fall to a certain level, then gold rebound. But the condition is not yet in the favor of bulls right now, and this data is still showing bearish sentiment on the gold chart. And the levels, let me show you the levels, important levels on the open interest data. So as you can see, we have closed below the major support. This was the major support, and gold was trading above this level around the lowest we can consider the level of 1650, and currently we trading below this level. So the level of 1643 is the closing price of Friday trading session. And on the open interest, you can see clearly here that after breakdown of the major support 165052 zone, now you can say we have a support only at 1620 on the open interest chart, and below that we have another support of 1610, and the last the round figure support we can say is 1600, also a support level, because you can see we have a huge number of put writing over these places. So these levels can act as support, but on monthly chart you already know that we are in big selling pressure. So the level in the upside from the current level, you already know that the major resistance is now the previous support, that is 1650. So 1650 is now will act as the major resistance, and above that the 1660 and 1670, which is seems very far from the current price. So clearly we are in selling pressure, and let us look on this chart. This is the bigger picture that I already said in Telegram channel. You can see clearly here that I'll discuss this later. Before this, let's discuss this one. So you can clearly see that it is breakdown from this trend line or this major support, you can say this one. So and you can say that you can clearly see that this is totally a bearish candle, and the support looks like below 1600 on the monthly chart, and below that you can see we are supported by this trend line. So overall there is a huge selling pressure, and this is the monthly double top. Yes, we can expect some rebound, but overall the bigger picture is still bearish for gold. And if we look over to DXY dollar chart, you can see that it is trading inside this ascending channel, this one, and currently it is trading near to major resistance, this level. So if we got some help from DXY, and if we have some correction in DXY, then only we can expect some bounce, or you can say some corrections on gold chart. But on intraday level, better I think we have to look for a rebound of price, and we can look for resell toward the CPR level when the price is near to CPR, and if it is not able to break out the CPR, then that is a good opportunity to sell in day trading. Also, if we let me show you another level which is good for selling. As you can see, gold is not able to break out the R1 except this session, because this is full of news. As you can see, previously also not able to break out the R1 or the resistance. So we can look for sell, and the best area is around CPR or around the level near to R1, and we can put our stop losses above that. So this is the safest range to look for sell according to the chart. You can backtest this, and I think overall the sentiments remain bearish for gold, and we will look for sell, but we will look for buy only if we got some good confirmation on higher time frame, because on the intraday level there are no sign of bulls right now, so better go with the trend. So we'll discuss more about the levels in live trading session in Telegram session. So see you on Monday. Thank you and good luck.